Welcome to our Sudoku tutorial. Today we'll explore the obvious triples technique, a strategy to tackle difficult Sudoku puzzles. This advanced tactic, used in combination with other strategies, helps solve even the most challenging Sudokus. This strategy is similar to the obvious pairs technique, but involves 3 cells. If 3 cells in a 3x3 block share interconnected candidates, those digits can only be in these 3 cells and nowhere else in the block. For instance, if the first cell has candidates A and B, the second B and C, and the third C and A, we have a clear intersecting relationship among these 3 cells. In the example above, we see a 3x3 area with an obvious triplet, 1 and 6, 1 and 3, and 6 and 3, highlighted in yellow rectangles. This means the numbers 1, 3, and 6 can only be in these 3 cells, although we don't know their exact positions yet. Our next step is to remove these numbers from the assumptions in the rest of the block. The resulting game field, depicted to the right of the arrow, is much simpler to solve. Interested in trying out this technique? Challenge yourself with a very difficult Sudoku puzzle on our website. Try the obvious triples technique now. Enjoy solving. Watch the video about the Sudoku technique, hidden singles technique in the next video.